I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Lexus GS300 headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement headlight assembly. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work. This prevents accidental shorts and protects you during the process. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the front bumper. Start by locating and removing all the plastic clips and screws that secure the bumper to the fender and grille area. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, detaching it from its mounting points around the headlight. Be sure to place the bumper on a soft surface to avoid any scratches. With the bumper out of the way, you can now access the headlight assembly. There are typically 3 to 4 bolts holding the headlight in place. Unscrew these. Then, carefully disconnect all the electrical connectors from the back of the headlight unit. Once everything is detached, gently slide the old headlight assembly straight out from its mounting position. Now it's time to install your new headlight. First, connect all the electrical plugs to the back of the new assembly. Carefully slide the new headlight into its mounting position and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Reattach the front bumper, making sure all clips and screws are properly fastened. Finally, reconnect your car's battery and test the new headlight to ensure it works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.